We are in Washburn, Wisconsin at a little municipal park here. And is this a beautiful day or what?
Ooh, I need my sunglasses. It's gorgeous.
We're going on a boat ride, and we are going to go tour the Apostle Islands. We've always wanted to do that.
Always wanted to.
But
on our bucket list.
they did warn me when I made the boat reservations that it's cold out there on Lake Superior.
Always 10 degrees cooler.
I bet it's more than that.
Probably 20.
So bundle up, woman.
I will.
All right, let's go see the Apostle Islands. Temperature right here is about 74 degrees right now, and we'll see what it is out in the water, but they tell me it's going to be in the low 50s when you get out there in Lake Superior. So,
with a breeze, refreshing.
So bring a coat.
Okay. Tours of the Apostle Islands National Lakeshore depart from the northeast Wisconsin town of Bayfield, a picturesque resort town that caters to tourists and island explorers during the short summer season. The boats are big with indoor seating and a large open-air top deck. That's what we chose.
Here are some facts about the Apostle Islands that you should know.
The islands are located in Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area.
The surface area of Lake Superior is approximately the size of South Carolina.
There is enough water in Lake Superior to cover the entire landmass of North America and South America to a depth of several inches.
The deepest point in Lake Superior is also the lowest spot on the continental interior of the United States.
The Apostle Islands National Lakeshore is located at the southwestern end of Lake Superior. Established in 1970, the National Lakeshore now consists of 21 islands, covering a total land area of 108 square miles. Including water, it encompasses some 720 square miles.
The islands are noted for high cliffs of reddish sandstone with many wave-formed arches and caverns.
The islands were probably named by 17th century Jesuit missionaries for the 12 apostles of the Bible.
The largest island, at 14 miles long and 3 miles wide, is Madeline Island, a former fur trade settlement. It houses a year-round population and is not part of the National Lakeshore. Ferries carry tourists, cars, and RVs across from Bayfield. There is a great state park on Madeline Island for camping.
Madeline Island is one of the most prolific bald eagle nesting and habitat areas in the upper Midwestern U.S. It was the site of the 1854 Treaty of La Pointe signing. That treaty ceded a vast area of Lake Superior Ojibwe lands to the United States government in exchange for establishing Indian reservations for the Lake Superior Ojibwe in Wisconsin, Michigan, and Minnesota.
The smallest of the Apostle Islands is Gull Island, just 3.5 acres in size.
During very cold winter weather, an ice bridge might connect Sand Island to the mainland, allowing people to explore ice caves that develop where waterfalls have hardened in place and frozen lake water encrusts the inside of the chambers with icicles.
But the ice caves are only accessible during very cold winters, maybe every 2 or 3 years. The rest of the year, boat rides are the only other way to visit them, and that is really in the summer and early fall.
The boat tours last about 4 hours.
So that was a pretty good ride. Actually, it was very relaxing.
It's a beautiful day, a little rough out there. We got wet a little bit, but I'd do it again.
Yeah. It's just a little bit cold right now. We guessed the temperature, they said, was about 54 degrees on the water. So
definitely worth doing.
But the sun's shining, and it's Lake Superior. Man, that's a big lake.
Awesome. We hope you enjoyed our tour of the Apostle Islands. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our RV lifestyle videos. Thanks for watching, and see you down the road.
Happy trails!